Everybody, this is Stan Slaughter with the Climate Friendly Yard Makeover and Jim Shipley of Southern Mulch and Soil. And Jim and son Josh have been applying this compost on the last 2 yards. Jim, you have repeat customers that want to get more topsoil.
Every year for 5 years, we've had people top dressing their yards and saying that their yards have never looked so good and raving about the compost going down and the seed. We can inject grass seed into the compost as it goes down, so we fix bare spots as we're going through. And the raised bed gardens in the backyards that we drag the hose through and fill up the beds, and people love not getting their yard tore up by a loader or a powered wheelbarrow or tracking back and forth.
Wow, you heard it here, folks. A lot of advantages to having this blown in, and particularly to doing it in the fall and winter when you might not expect it, but when that rain can soak that compost in and feed that soil, do a great job. So you heard it here from a very experienced operator. So Climate Yard Makeover, get busy.
And call Missouri Organics to get it set up.
Absolutely.